Welcome to NUOMI Channel. The kitchen is the center of home life, and an efficient, tidy kitchen makes cooking a pleasure. A powerful wall cabinet design can maximize your kitchen space while enhancing its overall aesthetics. Whether storing utensils or organizing spices, a wall cabinet is an indispensable helper. This product is NUOMI Encanto Series Double Layer Lifter. It has over 85% high space utilization. The overall maximum load is 10 kilograms. The storage basket is equipped with a high-quality damping system to ensure smooth movement when pulling down or pushing back up, preventing items from tipping over or getting damaged. Unique handle design for easier operation. The basket frame is made of high-quality aluminum alloy with the surface coated in fluorocarbon spraying, ensuring corrosion and rust resistance. The bottom is covered with anti-slip mat, preventing collision and noise during movement. This product has two colors, champagne gold and high-class gray. It's suitable for cabinet widths of 600 mm, 800 mm, and 900 mm. The cabinet height should be larger than 572 mm, and the cabinet depth should be at least 238 mm for installation. The lifting design makes it easier to reach high items. If you want to learn more about NUOMI products, follow our channels below to make your home life more tasteful.